Hi friends, welcome to my channel. As you can see in this video, I have got another product. This is a 3-way monopod plus stand plus mini tripod. As you can see on this side they have. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. As you can see in this video, I have got another product. It's a tripod plus selfie stick. As you can see, it has a tripod plus it will extend. You can also use it as a selfie stick. In this picture they used action cam, but you can also use it with your cell phone. This is some details. Max load capacity 500 grams, length 20 to 62 centimeter, main material polycarbonate. That means this product is made of polycarbonate and its weight is 240 grams and black color. This product is only available in black color. There is nothing more. Let me quickly unbox this. Okay, now I have unboxed the product. As you can see, you will get a tripod, or you can say a selfie stick, main product, an extra screw for mounting this when you are using a cell phone mount. This is the brand name. On down they have written School of Gadgets, and that's all you get in the box. Let me just assemble it. And also you'll get a tripod stand inside this main. Okay, now I have assembled the complete product, and as you can see, I also mount my another cell phone with it. The total length of the tripod is 62 centimeter, full extension, and that's all. And talk about the build quality and the value for money. The build quality is not that much good. It's made of cheap like material, and the tripod stand is not that much strong. It may broke after some time. I recommend you not to purchase this. You will get other good tripods under 700, because I have purchased this one for 700 rupees from Flipkart. And that's all. Thanks for watching.